Okay, so metal wire of length 8 centimeters is heated at one end. The table gives selected values of the temperature. So this is an amount, the amount of temperature, degrees Celsius. Of the wire, X number of centimeters from the heated end. A picture here can help. So I have some sort of wire. They're putting heat on one end. So this is X equals 0 because the X represents centimeters from the heated end. So the heat is down here. So the heat transfers along the wire, making this end the coolest. So this end is 8 centimeters and it's 55 degrees because it takes time for the heat to get from one end of the wire to the other. Estimate T prime of 7. So T is the temperature, therefore T prime is the rate at which T is changing. There's a box on the golden notes that looks like this. So if I want to approximate T prime at time equal 7, I'm going to do that by taking the temperature beyond time 7, so that would be time 8. Subtract from that the temperature before time 7, that was time 6. Divide by that change in distance along the wire. So this is what I'm going to do to approximate T prime of 7. So I write over here T prime of 7 equals, the temperature is 55 at 8 centimeters along the wire. The temperature was only 62 at 6 centimeters along the wire. The difference, the distance along the wire for that change is 2 centimeters. So I don't really have to work anything out, it's not required. So I think it's best right here to just write in the units, degrees Celsius per centimeter. If you do this, you'll get the full point. So that is worth 1 point. If you kept going and wrote -7 over 2 degrees Celsius per centimeter, you would also get the same 1 point. If you forget the units, you do not get the point. If the units are wrong, you don't get the point. If this is upside down, you don't get the point. If you keep going and make a mistake, you don't get a point. So if you forgot the negative, you lose the point. It's only worth 1 point.